Oh boy, I feel so much fucking better. Give or take a few dudes from the bar, take them home with me. This night is gonna end horribly for someone. The ticket's just talking away. I don't understand what it's trying to say. I think it says I'll drive my car like I stole it, drink at the bar like I own it, and every dime spent is worth looking good. 'Cause that's Hollywood. You know that she would. Usually there's a badass solo here, but I'm all alone. But that's okay, because I got a little treat for you, a little special guest. See, I'm the son of an asshole, a drinker far too drunk to stay awake at his funeral. That's alright, 'cause I left Milwaukee behind for this refreshing town with this refreshing meat. Being down by the bar, we'll go take this drink out to the stars. So come on, believe me, follow me home, there's no judgment here. Laugh a little, drink a little, see what you're made of, capable of making you disappear. I am the angel that decides your fate. You see, my hometown was nice. I didn't have to think twice about who I recruited. There wasn't any fame, no one knew my name, I was so secluded. Baptized in bloody water, I'll make you famous one way or another. You can start to undress and just try a little less, and I'll drill in your head what you need to be the king of this goddamn city. Oh shit! Come on, believe me, follow me home, there's no judgment here. Laugh a little, drink a little, see what you're made of, capable of making you disappear. I am the angel that decides your fate. Wow, ouch, Jeffrey.